everybody, I figured out how to do a voiceover. So I'm about to show you this quick eyebrow tutorial. I need to catch up. So I outlined the bottom of our eyebrows. Now I'm doing the top. And then I'm filling in where it's kind of sparse. I'm using a eyebrow pencil from ColourPop Cosmetics. Once I fill it in, I'm just going to be brushing through the hairs just to distribute the product evenly and try and create more hair-like strokes. Looks like we were having a good conversation. So next we're going in with MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Concealer. That is in C45. I'm carving out the bottom of our eyebrows to give it the fresh wax, fresh threading appeal. I'm only going 1 to 2 shades lighter than our natural skin tone, because we want it to look as natural as possible. We don't want her walking out looking like a clown, looking like she has something white up under her eyebrows. That's not normal. And then next I'm going to go in with a foundation that's closer to her skin tone. The reason why I do that is to prevent the halo effect. And you'll see in the final picture at the end of this video, you won't see a lighter concealer over our eyebrows. It won't look like it's not blended out because I went in with the matching foundation. And then I blend both out with a fluffy blending brush. It just helps buff it out better than your fingers, in my opinion, you know. Yeah, so then I just once I carve out the top and bottom, I blend them out. She's gonna look forward so I can just see how close they are. I had to look in the phone. That little brow is popping. I could have did a little bit better with this other brow, but it's okay. They're fraternal twins. They're just not identical twins. Okay. So thank you all for watching. My next few IGTV videos and YouTube videos, hopefully I'll do a voiceover. But I'm going to have to really practice at this voiceover thing. Or slow down my videos because it's going too fast and making me nervous. But I hope you all liked it. And here is the final look. And she popping. Yes. Smile for the camera. This is the final look after the entire makeup process. And I hope you all like the video. Please remember, go watch my video on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.